All right, hello everybody. How y'all doing today? Today I have here is a $800 build that I put together. So if you're ready to go ahead and build your own computer, go ahead and get into some gaming. You can't go wrong with this build here. So with that, I got the Gigabyte B450M DSD3H AMD AM4 motherboard. With that, I got the CPU Ryzen 5 2600X. With that, I got the ID Cooler SE224XT Basic. I love this CPU cooler. TDP is 180 watts TDP, so we plan on upgrading your CPU. The maximum load of that is 105. I looked it up on gigabyte.com, so you can't go wrong with the info. With that, I'm teaming up with two Team Group T-Force Vulcan DDR4 16 gigabyte kit, two 8 gigabyte sticks, 3200 speed. Great choice. Good for the build. Let's team that up with the Team Group MS30 512 gigabyte M.2 hard drive. With that, I'm teaming up with the Seagate Barracuda 2 terabyte 7200 RPM 3.5-inch hard drive. With that, I'm teaming up with the RX 580 MSI Armor 8 gigabyte overclocking GPU card. You can't go wrong with this, so you can do whatever you like to do with it. Yes, sir. With that, I'm teaming it with the Fantex Eclipse P300A case. With that is the Aphiva ATX JP 600-watt power supply. And of course, the RGB set the mood right, set the tone. I'm teaming up with Up Here Wireless RGB LED 120 millimeter case fans. With that, you cannot go wrong. The total bill is $753.84. Not going over $800 for the max build. This is a great build. You can't go wrong with it. If you get into gaming, this is just, or you're just getting into a regular computer and do a lot of editing, office clerical work at home, etc. This PC is for you. All right, y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. I would love to hear from y'all. You can also follow me on Welcome to Ron's World on YouTube. I'm looking to hear from y'all as well. Subscribe to my channel also. And y'all take care. Peace.